Juan!
Hollywood, California, December 18. Everything on North Bronson Avenue started with this recording.
LA City 911 operator 690.
I'm just saying, if these motherfuckers don't get they come here, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna kill myself because this motherfucker over here, like he comes in and he disappears.
Hang
He comes in and my.
Do you want help?
He comes in. He goes, you know, he's talking shit right now, man. He disappears like a ghost, man. I got all that, man.
Do you want help?
I'm gonna kill myself. This motherfucker, like, get the fuck out. There's like multiple of these shit, man.
Okay, sir. What's your address?
14 North Bronson Avenue.
Okay, and is that a house, an apartment, or business?
It's an apartment.
Okay, what apartment number? Is there a gate code to get in?
Oh my God, it's gonna hurt.
Is there any gate code to get in? I need you to quote talking to me, okay? Pound. Okay. And what's your name?
Juan.
Juan? Hey Juan, so do you want a paramedic, Juan? Do you want them to come check?
I'm gonna stab. If I fucking stab myself, it's because I'm trying to stab them because they keep running in my body, man.
Okay, I don't want to. Do you have a knife, Juan?
I'm a big. I'm right now. They disappear. Like these voices, man, and it's driving me crazy, dude.
Okay, Juan. Juan, I'm here, Juan. Do you have a knife right now, Juan?
I swear to God, I'll stab you, bro. I'll stab you, bro. Get back. Stop talking to me like that. I'll kill myself, bro. I'll kill myself. Get back.
Juan, who is that in the background?
It's a fucking ghost, dude. I'll fucking throw it right now. I got none. I'll do this for sure. I don't give a.
Do you have a knife, Juan?
Yeah, but I got it right here in my hand. It's pointing right here. I do it. I don't want to hear this anymore.
Okay, Juan. Just stay on the line with me, okay, Juan? Juan, do you want to talk to somebody that might be able to help you?
No, I'm gonna kill somebody, bro.
Who are you gonna kill, Juan?
What the f I want, man? Fuck around with me, bro.
Okay, Juan. Just hang on and stay on the line with me, okay? Don't hang up. Is your phone number?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my number.
Okay, Juan. I'm gonna have somebody meet you out there and help you out. Okay, stay on the phone with me.
Yeah. Anyone knock on my fucking door, bro? I'm fucking slicing, bro. I don't give a fuck, dude. I don't give a fuck. I'm slicing. Someone comes to my fucking door, bro.
The warning has been issued. Now the responding units arrive to face a reality that no phone call could fully describe.
Hollywood units, possible attempt suicide, 14 North Bronson. Subject armed with a knife. Code correction, incident 2895, RD 627, standby for.
Lobby contact, lobby DCO, Pallet, your partner. You guys mind being arresting? Got it. Comms, and then taser.
You want to take the 40 then?
Officers are now entering a confined space, known in tactical training as a fatal funnel. In this environment, the reaction time is significantly reduced, forcing the team to rely on their training and split-second instincts.
Hey, Juan. Juan, this is LAPD.
Hey, it's police!
It's police, man. Where?
Get you some help, man.
Okay. Hey, Juan.
Just keep you committed. She's alright.
Hey, it's the police department. Hey,
It's
Juan.
LAPD. Juan!
Hey, Juan.
Announce yourself.
Juan, this is LAPD.
It's
Police! Police, man.
We're trying to get you some help, man.
Redeploy cover? Redeploy cover.
Are you back?
Hey, Juan.
This is alright.
Hey, it's the police department.
Hey,
It's
Juan.
LAPD.
Juan!
Once the immediate threat is neutralized, standard procedure requires the subject to be secured before medical aid can begin. This protocol ensures the safety of the paramedics as they enter a high-risk scene.
No code 4.
Good? Is there anybody else in the room?
Pull this over. I'm just gonna put pressure here. Try to breathe, okay?
45+6.
The ambulance is on the way, okay? Just try to breathe. Check his pulse. Check his pulse.
Investigators recovered the large kitchen knife at the scene. 38-year-old Juan Guerrero was later pronounced deceased at a local hospital. This case remains under investigation to determine if the use of force met the high standards of the law. These incidents serve as a critical reminder of the complex balance between public safety and mental health. We invite you to join this important discussion by sharing your perspective in the comments below. If you value this commitment to transparency and objective analysis, consider joining our community and enabling notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the front lines. We will return with the next case shortly.